Okay, guys, so the first position that we have is the open position. For this, it's super simple. We are holding hands, let's put it that way, and we have it like this. Okay, we have different types of position how we can be holding hands, but the most important thing is our frame. So if we are facing like this, think about your elbows. Your elbows will not be touching your body, but they're gonna be flared out to the outside. So if you look, my elbows are the farthest thing to the left or to the right that I have. So now that we are here, this means we have a good frame. Our shoulder blades are activated, which causes already to have this good posture and that my elbows are like this. Now that we are like this, we have our hands down. This means our elbows are here and our hands are lower. We have a little bit of a V shape. If we are here, we are in a T-Rex position, showing our biceps, and have a W shape. We don't want that. So this is not good. Try to always bring the hands down. So if you're showing something, you will be showing more your triceps.
Yes, and don't overextend your arms, okay? So don't try to stretch them like this. This will only cause that you block your elbows and don't use your muscles anymore.
Yes, so your elbows are, we can take a little bit like next to your body, not back, but also not too much front. We are a little bit like, yeah, next to the body. And now talking about the hands before we continue, is we can be like this, like holding a little bit like the fingers and a little bit like the palm of the hands. But we could also have a little bit what we call this control position, where we are now with the palm facing forward, like this. And the last ones would be to have like this pinch position and grabbing maybe from the outside like this, or even like this. It all depends of which figures you want to lead. The most important, like we said, is to focus on the frame.
Yes, and for the followers, it's very important that we never grab our leaders. So don't try to hold his hands for real and he can't get out of there, okay? So we try to mirror what he does. And what he does is usually only that he hooks our hand, because with a hook we can always change the position and he can get out, okay? So just try to close when he closes a little bit, but don't like grab for real.
Yes, we're maybe hooking, like she said, we still have soft fingers, which means we are never really grabbing and not letting blood come through. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Also, make sure to check out our online programs, the first link down below. Here we learn all of these positions and of course also all the body movements that we need in Bachata Sensual in all of these positions. We hope you liked it and see you next time.